welcome to a Diwali slash festive season outfits haul under rupees 799. All of the things in this video will be in that budget because recently जो भी हमने outfits करे थे they were in the range of around 3 to 5,000. So I also wanted to bring something ये budget में. Soon we also go a little bit above like say 5 to 10,000 के बीच में भी जाएंगे for everybody who's looking for those kind of heavy outfits. But this video is very impromptu because actually एक relative आए थे उनको घुमाने में लेके गई थी station and there I saw that the collection is mind blowing and it's actually possible to get good outfits in this budget. So let me show you all the loot and I'll also be giving you tips on what you'll need to remember when you go street shopping, especially for festive outfits, and I'll also tell you some specific locations की कौन सी चीज कहाँ से ली है. Okay, so the first outfit is the most popular one because all over station भी इसके multiple colors लगे हुए थे. तो जो पहला outfit है ना, it's a navy blue. It's such a dark navy blue कि कभी-कभी black लगता है. It has beautiful white embroidery with silver sequins embedded in it and it's in a zigzag form all throughout the dress. Now this one came with a choker dupatta and a sharara, and if you watch the Ganpati vlog and seen the Ganpati outfit pictures, you know that that is one of my favorite styles to wear currently. Getting that for 799 was something I was stumped by when the vendor told me that's the price he's going to give me at without bargaining at all. So if you buy an outfit which is bigger than your actual size, that works pretty fine क्योंकि वो आप order करवा सकते हो. But in street shopping जल्दी से लोग exchange करना prefer नहीं करते, vendors exchange करना prefer नहीं करते. So take some garment of yours, कोई ऐसी कुर्ती लेके जाना साथ में जो आपके current size में exactly सही से बैठती हो, from the chest, from the waist, from the hips, every single place. The second outfit was Mama Wade's choice. This is a pink kurta set जिसमें gold sequins है and the material has a slight sheen to it. It also has beautiful embroidery in like vertical stripes. हाथ में देख के लगता होगा कि oh it's not that jazzy, but once I wore it, it gave such good Diwali vibes and festive. It just made me feel festive because it was quite reflective but quite subtle at the same time. The kurta has border on the sleeves and the pants also have a thick border at the end to match with the kurta. Now this set was only for rupees 600/599. Now when it comes to this budget that we're usually entering, try not to go for the exact latest trends. For example, the pink kurta that we just bought, you might want to wear something like that strappy. So be open to getting it altered and making it sleeveless or adding sleeves to it later on if you want. क्योंकि ये budget में जल्दी से getting exactly what you want does become difficult. So go with an open mind and see how you can creatively change the outfit to perfectly match your taste. Now this third outfit is again mom's choice. These outfits she is going to wear on Diwali. This is a beautiful green set with gold work on it और ये hand work लग रहा है because जब मैंने इसको पीछे मोड़ के देखा, the back of the kurta did say कि this is done very well and with hand. This one was only for rupees 699 and we couldn't believe it because there's beautiful embroidery at the sharara. The sharara also has a good flare और जो कुर्ता है वो भी काफी royal looking है because the collar is quite stiff and the yoke is very heavily filled. Dark greens, maroons, navy blues, these kind of colors with gold embroidery give a very royal feeling. तो अगर आपको evening के लिए कोई outfit चाहिए तो ये colors में आप darker colors में खेल सकते हो. Now the fourth piece is in patola print. It's a very beautiful kurta set with the colors black and red. Now black as a color is not very welcome in Indian festivities, but हमारे में एक ऐसा day होता है जिसको हम काड़ी चौदस बोलते हैं. So all the Gujaratis in our family, if you can comment and let me know कि काड़ी चौदस को हिंदी या मराठी या other languages में क्या बोलते हैं so that everybody else can understand. इसके साथ दुपट्टा भी आया है and a 3-piece set was only for 799 again. This particular set and many more के try on में you might see a clip at the back of my waist. That is because I bought almost everything bigger than my actual size to later on get it altered perfectly to my size, and that's the mindset I always go with and I would recommend you to as well. Now this one is so ethereal because the colors are such candy and fun and slightly in the pastel range. This is a blue and pink and white Lucknowi kurta set which has some crocheting going on at the sleeve hem and the pant ka hem, and oh boy, it is so beautiful. I am going to leave my measurements in the description box down below so that आप compare कर सको कि कौन सा piece आपको सही आएगा because my height is 5 feet 5.5 inches. That half inch matters. It does, trust me. So not all pieces may be flattering, but this one did have a good length of the pant. So you can compare to my body measurements and see which set would look good on you. But the embroidery on this kurta set is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Just a simple pair of quilling earrings I had put and it still elevated the entire look. Now, if you're still unsure about a kurta set that you're going to buy just because the material is not very stretchable or maybe the style is not something आपको समझ आ रहा हो देख के कि वो आपको फिट आएगा कि नहीं, एडवांस में एक्सचेंज की बात करके रखना भैया के साथ कि हे इफ आई कम टुमारो विल यू प्लीज एक्सचेंज इट, एंड टाइम भी नक्की कर लो बिकॉज यूजुअली पीपल डोंट लाइक टू एक्सचेंज बोनी के टाइम पे और शाम के टाइम पे. तो देर आर वेरी स्पेसिफिक टाइम्स व्हेन पीपल अग्री टू एक्सचेंज. इफ दे डू तो एडवांस में बिल पे करने के पहले बात कर लेना कि एक्सचेंज वो करने वाले हैं कि नहीं. One more sleeveless sharara I could find which I fell in love with. This is a teal colored / peacock blue colored sharara set which has sequins, like beautiful looking golden sequins all at the front. It has a thick multicolor border but it's in the darker color scheme only to match with the actual color of the sharara. The pants have pleats in it. उसमें घेरा थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगने लगता है. And the choker dupatta has the same kind of border which the kurta has. So overall it's a stunning piece. It looks very heavy. It is ill fitting on me right now but as I said I'm going to get it fitted later and काफ़ी heavy look देता है. ये actual दिवाली वाले दिन भी पहनने लायक सेट है. Now crop tops and jackets look beautiful in general. Even at the Navratri reels, I did include a few of these kind of outfits. So I found this baby pink jacket, crop top and skirt set which has sequins all over the jacket, and honestly I got this set mainly for the jacket only. It has a crop top and it has a skirt which has a belt at the top, but the jacket had my heart set on it from the moment I saw it, and I personally could think of 10 different ways of styling that jacket immediately, which is why I was like I'll style each piece separately and I might not wear it together but I need to get this because the price was amazing. The jacket also has beautiful latkans, so I think it's a good buy. Then this next one is a yellow batik print anarkali with embroidery at the yoke. इसके पैंट और दुपट्टा बहुत ही सुंदर है because they have a green, red and white color combo which is very Gujarati, very it's again a very classic color combo when it comes to heavy Indian clothing, and because of that ना ये पैंट और ये दुपट्टा और कोई भी कुर्ते के साथ पहना जा सकता है जो रेड कलर का हो, ग्रीन कलर का, basically which is already in this print and not just with this particular yellow batik kurta. What's more special is we actually got 4 of these same for me, mom, Kumar's mom and Kumar's sister to wear together whenever we get this opportunity. So when we do, I'll share a picture on Instagram of how it all, like how it looks different on all of us and like what was the exact occasion we got to wear it at. This 3-piece set was also for $7.99. Now the reason I was so happy with all of my purchases and I made all of these purchases within 3 hours is because I went at a time जब rush hour नहीं था, जब peak hours नहीं थे, but that's the exact reason why he was literally opening and showing us कि आप ये भी देखो, ये भी देखो, ये भी देखो. So if your work permits, try to go around noon if you can because at that time you'll get to see the most variety और सबसे आराम से देखने मिलेगा. Almost nearing the end, we have this grey and white kurta set which has mirror work, faux mirror work on the front, and this kurta set was only for $5.99 but पहन के बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I was contemplating on whether to get it or not because this is typical Jaipuri Rajasthani vibe, and I had shopped a lot from Udaipur when I went earlier this year. The haul is up on the channel, I'll link it down below, and a lot of people were asking me ki where can we also get such similar pieces at these rates. So the station local markets are filled with it right now. I'll tell you the exact locations at the end of the video, but if you're looking for similar Rajasthani prints like block prints, cotton kurta sets, comfy, this is the time to get all of them, and this is just one of them. Now the second last item made me feel like I've transported to Kashmir. I know it's not a typical Kashmiri outfit, but just the vibe, the bright pink kurta with the sharara and this beautiful white kadai embroidery on it, and the fit of it, the flow of it, how cinched it was at the waist, the flare as a sleeve. It is just a very, very dreamy outfit paired with white juttis, jhumkas, and I love this outfit a lot. And the last one is actually what I'm wearing right now. It's a very short kurta with a sharara, and the sharara's flare is the most from all the outfits that we've had. अगर थोड़ा सा भी मैं walk करती हूँ या twirl करती हूँ ना तो इतना सारा like there's volume happening around it. It looks very grand, and even the work at the top, it's not something जो आँख में चुभे. It's quite subtle, it's very dainty. There's work all throughout the sleeve, and it came with a dupatta which has ruffle trims on it. This entire 3-piece was also only for ₹7.99, and that's what I felt कि all the collection this time, and जो भी rates मैंने आपको बताया बिल्कुल bargaining के बिना वाले rates है. Some pointers I'd like to give you is कि जब rate इतना कम होता है ना तब कहाँ का compromise होता है is the quantity of fabric used. जब मैं नीचे बैठी तब I could hear one sharara rip, and that's because there isn't enough fabric at the crotch area to let you sit comfortably. So these outfits are not very comfortable to sit in क्योंकि fabric में कटौती की गई है. Second thing, the quality of fabric is not going to be what you would get when you pay thousands of rupees. It's under 1000 rupees the entire outfit. So ये ज़्यादा शायद ना टिके. तो avoid putting this in washing machines and all. Try to just hand wash it and dry it to increase the longevity. And third, कुछ outfits का color भी निकल सकता है, तो wash them separately from your other clothes to avoid bleeding into each other. But those are all the pointers I had for you. Talking about मैंने कहाँ से shopping करी ये सब, तो मैंने बोरीवली स्टेशन मार्केट से ही सारा शॉपिंग किया. Remember अनुपम, right? We've done so many stationery hauls from there. तो वही लाइन में, मतलब जो मेन बोरीवली स्टेशन रेलवे स्टेशन है, उसके ऑपोजिट इतने सारे वेंडर्स बैठना शुरू करते हैं फ्रॉम 11:30 in the morning up until I would say 7:30 8 PM. The only problem is कि एटलीस्ट इन बोरीवली मार्केट BMC की गाड़ी जब भी आती है तब वेंडर्स उठ जाते हैं एंड दे ओनली कम बैक स्लोली आफ्टर BMC की गाड़ी चली गई हो. सो इफ यू आर कमिंग दूर से तो आपको ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है एंड यू माइट हैव टू किल योर टाइम एट सम रेस्टोरेंट और अ नियरबाई मॉल टू वेट फॉर द वेंडर्स टू कम बैक. बट व्हेन आई पुट अप Instagram stories, a lot of our family members DM'd कि I got the same outfit from Manish Market, I got the same outfit from Bhuleshwar, similar thing from Andheri चार बंगला वाले लेन से. So and even when I went to Bandra recently, तभी भी बहुत ही सेम कलेक्शन चल रहा था वहाँ पे. So I think you can go to any local market of Mumbai and you will find similar collection happening over there. The rates may vary depending on the area. Like I'm guessing Bandra will be more expensive than Borivali, but I hope I could help you find some good pieces in this particular budget. I'll soon make the video of the higher budgeted clothes as well for the upcoming wedding season. But if you enjoyed watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future episodes of this series. And if you did not enjoy watching this video, bindas give it a thumbs down. I will see you in a brand new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.